welcome back to Miss Emily's Story Corner. I hope you enjoyed our zoo theme this week and last week. It was super fun. We did a lot of fun things. So today for our last zoo video, I thought we could do a fun, quick little poem. I did do this for one of our Google Meets, and I thought maybe that you'd like to see it again and do it with me. So we'll do our 5 elephants in the bathtub, and then we'll head outside to do a super cool science experiment. Alright, so we'll start with our 5 elephants in the bathtub. So it goes like this. 5 elephants in the bathtub, going for a swim. And then we're hands on our knees for knock, 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 knock. And then we're gonna go splash, splash, come on in. And each time a new elephant will come into our bathtub. Alright, ready to help me with this song, friends? Let's do it. We're gonna go. Here comes one elephant. Do you think all 5 are gonna fit in our bathtub? 1 elephant in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. So we have 1 elephant and we're gonna add 1 more. So how many would that make in our bathtub? 2. So now we're gonna say 2 elephants in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. So we have 2 elephants. If we have 1 more that comes in to join, how many will that be? We have 2 and 1 more makes 3. 3 elephants in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. So we have 1, 2, 3. And if we add 1 more, 3 and 1 more makes 4. 4 elephants in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. We have 1 more elephant. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we have 1 more, you think he's gonna fit in there? How many would that be if we have 1 more? 4 and 1 more makes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we can say 5 elephants in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, and they all fell in. So let's make them fall into the tub. Ready? 5, take away 1 is 4. Take away 1 more is 1, 2, 3. If we take away another 1, splash. How many left? 2. If we take away another 1, how many are left? Splash. Just 1. And the last one goes splash into the tub. Now there are no elephants in the bathtub, going for a swim. So now we have 0, right everybody? Okay, let's head on outside and we're gonna do a fun elephant science experiment. Come on with me, friends. We're outside on my porch and we're gonna make elephant toothpaste today. Elephant toothpaste. When you brush your teeth, you have a tiny tube of toothpaste and you go brush, brush, brush. But when elephants brush their teeth, they need a big tube of toothpaste. So for this science experiment, you're going to need some hydrogen peroxide. This stuff only an adult can help you use, okay? You need an adult to help you with this project. You need some hydrogen peroxide. You're gonna need some yeast, some dish soap, colors, and some warm water. I already put a 1/2 cup of hydrogen peroxide in both of our bottles. Then we're going to put a squirt of dish soap in. Okay, nice big squirt. And we're going to put some colors in. This is just to make it look cool. 4 or 5 drops should do it. And how about a blue one? Because we know minty toothpaste is blue. And then in a separate container, we're going to mix our warm water and our yeast. 2 tablespoons of warm water. 1 teaspoon of yeast. And we need to mix it. Water and yeast mixture in a separate container, and I chose one with a spout so I can pour it in easily. If you have a funnel, that works good too. So, are you ready to try? Now, we're being scientists, so we need to make a prediction. So we need to think, what might happen when I mix these 2 things together? We have our peroxide and soap in here, and our yeast and water in here. Now, yeast is the stuff that makes bread rise. So if you ever make bread at home, you might need to use yeast because it helps the bread dough to get puffy and big. So, what do you think is going to happen when I pour this into here? Oh, and don't forget a tray to catch what might come out. Okay, everybody have their predictions? Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Look what is happening, friends. It's rising. It's getting bigger. Whoa. Look, I can hold it here for just a second. It's going up and up and up. Do you think it's going to come all the way out? Wow! Look! It looks like toothpaste. Awesome! And if you look on this side, it has a stripe, kind of like the toothpaste that we use. Wow, that's so cool. And it's like a puffy mixture that's coming out. Wow, it's still coming, look. Still coming out. Whoa. Now, it is okay to touch this, but make sure that you have an adult with you and you wash your hands when you're done. Because it's cool that to feel it, because when you touch the foam, it feels warm. And that's because this is an exothermic reaction, which means that when the 2 things mix together, they create heat. Wow, so cool. Okay, are you ready to try with our purple toothpaste bottle? 2 tablespoons of water. Here we go. Do you think the purple is going to be any different? Actually, let's do another. Let's get a drop on the side here to make those lines like the other one. 3, 2, 1. It's rising up. Look. Whoa! Look at that. Whoa! Look at it's going into our blue toothpaste. Okay, so it's definitely extra cool if you put the line of food coloring on the side. So let me get that swirly, swirly pattern. So friends, did that do what you thought it was going to do? Did you think it was gonna foam up like this? It was so cool. Wow. So, you do need some special things to make this, but I promise if you try it at home, it is so, so cool. But look at that. Wow, if we squeeze it, I can squeeze a little out. It really looks like elephant toothpaste, doesn't it, friends? So cool. Thanks for joining me today, and I had super fun doing this science experiment with you, and I hope you have a great day, and I hope you have a great weekend, and thanks for joining me for our zoo theme. Next week, we are going to be learning all about the ocean, and summer, and the beach, all the exciting summer things. So, make sure you join me next week for some fun summer beach activities, and make sure that since our weather is getting so nice, make sure you're drinking lots of water and wear sunscreen when you go outside in the sun. Alright friends, so have fun, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Okay friends, since we just did elephant toothpaste as our science experiment today, I thought it might be fun to show you how I brush the cat's teeth. Yes, I brushed their teeth. I use special toothpaste for them. I started brushing their teeth because Bay was having a little bit of trouble with his teeth hurting, so I thought I'd start brushing his teeth. They need their teeth brushed too. This is their special cat toothpaste. They cannot have human toothpaste, they have to have special cat toothpaste. And this is their special toothbrush. I got it for them because it's really soft and bristly and they like to bite on it. So I'll show you how I brush Bay's teeth. He really loves having his teeth brushed because he likes the flavor of his toothpaste. So every night after I brush my teeth, I brush their teeth. Okay? You ready? Oh, yes. Okay, and I use my clicker to show that that's what I would like him to open his mouth. So he knows that that's what he's supposed to do, and then he gets to take a lick of the delicious toothpaste that he likes. By Wubbles chewing on this, end of this, it helps clean his teeth. Give me a high five. Oh, double high five. Okay, so friends, I have been training them to do this, and that's what I use my clicker for. So please don't ever try to stick anything in your animals' mouths. Okay, I have the special toothpaste for them, and I use it only to brush their teeth. Okay, and we worked a long time on training them how to do this. Alright, so don't ever try to put anything in your animal's mouth. Just give them pets and loves, okay? Brushing their teeth is an adult's job. Just make sure you brush your teeth every day, and have a great day.